Pool shark, uncovered. Dive into the real meaning. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, pool shark. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, origin, and how to use it in sentences. Let's jump right in. Pool and shark. Separately, these words have straightforward meanings. Pool, a small body of standing water or a game where players use cues to strike balls into pockets on a table. Shark, a large fish that is known for its sharp teeth and, sometimes, its aggressive nature. But what happens when these words come together? When we say someone is a pool shark, we don't mean they're a fish swimming in a pool. It's a slang term. In this context, pool shark refers to someone who's very skilled at the game of pool, often to the point of deceiving others about their true abilities to gain an advantage or to hustle money from opponents. Imagine someone pretending to be an average player but suddenly showcasing their exceptional skills once money or a bet is involved. That's a classic move of a pool shark. Now that you know the meaning, let's see how we can use pool shark in sentences. 1. Be careful when betting money on that game. I've heard he's a real pool shark. 2. She may look innocent, but she's a pool shark. She beat everyone at the tournament. 3. I thought I was good at pool until I met Jake, the notorious pool shark of our town. While the exact origin is unclear, the term pool shark has been in use since the early 1900s. The word shark in slang has long been used to describe someone who preys on others, especially in games of chance or skill. Over time, as pool became a popular game, especially in bars and halls where betting was common, the term pool shark emerged to describe those cunning and skilled players. Now, whenever you hear the term pool shark, you'll know it's not about a fish in water but a master on the pool table. We hope you found this explainer insightful. Remember, language is not just about words but the stories behind them. Stay curious, and until next time, happy learning.